Myself JVN Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed ZVC 8th semester. We will discuss the topic transcription in prokaryotes. Transcription, meaning of transcription, the synthesis of RNA molecules using DNA strands as a template so that the genetic information can be transferred from DNA to RNA. Okay, transcription process, general concepts, three phases: initiation, elongation and termination. In the prokaryotes, RNA polymerase can bind the DNA template directly in the transcription process, and in eukaryotes, RNA polymerase requires cofactors to bind to the DNA templates together in the transcription process. Transcription in prokaryotes, these are divided in three phases. Initiation phase, RNA polymerase recognizes the promoters and starts the transcription. Elongation phases, the RNA strands is continuously growing. And last, termination phases, the RNA polymerase stops synthesis and the nonsense RNA is separated from the DNA template. Okay. First process, initiation. Initiation, the process of initiation follows following activities. Firstly, RNA polymerase recognize the TTGACA regions and slides to the TAT-AAT regions, then opens the DNA duplex. The unbound regions is about 17 plus minus 1 base pair, right? The first nucleotides on RNA transcripts is always purine triphosphates. GTP is more often than ATP, right? Next, the PPP GPN OH structures remains on the RNA transcript until the RNA synthesis is completed, and the three molecules form a transcription initiation complex. No primer is needed for RNA synthesis. The sigma subunit falls off from the RNA polymerase once the first 3' and 5' phosphodiester bonds is formed. The core enzyme moves along the DNA template to enter the elongation phases. Second step, elongation. The release of the sigma subunits causes the conformational changes of the core enzymes. The core enzyme slides on the DNA template toward the 3' end. Next, free NTPs are added sequentially to the 3' hydroxyl of nascent RNA strands. Right? Next process, RNA polymerase DNA segments of approximate 1490 and the nascent RNA form a complex called the transcription bubbles. The three primer segments of the nascent RNA hybridize with the DNA template and its 5 primer and extends out the transcription bubble as the synthesis is processing, right? Transcription bubble, formation of transcription bubbles. RNA polymerase of E. coli. Last step, termination. The RNA polymerase stops moving on the DNA template and the RNA transcripts falls off from the transcription complex, and the termination occurs in either row dependent or row independent manners. The termination functions of row factors. The row factor and hexamer is a ATPase and a helicase. Row independent termination. The termination singles is a scratch of 30 to 40 nucleotides on the RNA transcript consisting of many GC followed by a series of U. The sequences specificity of this nascent RNA transcript will form particular stem loop structures to terminate the transcription. Stem loop disruptions. The stem loop structures alter the conformation of RNA polymerase, leading to the pause of the RNA polymerase moving. Then the competition of the RNA to RNA hybrid and the DNA to DNA hybrid reduces the RNA DNA hybrid stability and causes the transcription complex dissociated.